The HSG130 by H&S Autoshot is a small and compact welder that packs a serious punch. Running on 110 volts with a 20% duty cycle at 130 amps, this welder offers 40% more power than the leading competitor. With a 10-foot removable ground clamp and a 6-foot torch, maintenance and storage for this welder is very easy. On the inside of the welder, you see you're able to run the 4-inch or large 8-inch spool of wire. On the front of the machine, you have dial control for infinite customization when it comes to wire speed and power of the unit. Each welder is going to come with a dual gauge regulator, a gas hose, one roll of flux core wire, and one roll of mild steel wire. This welder offers you performance with a price point that's not going to break the bank. For someone learning how to weld or for small projects around the shop or in the garage, this welder is the perfect tool. If you'd like more information on this welder, please call H&S directly or talk to your local tool representative. If you'd like more information on this unit or any other units, check out our other videos online.